How to change password on Discord mobile application. This tutorial will use Android, but you can always use iOS or any device that Discord officially supports. So without further ado, if you like these kinds of tutorial, please make sure that you hit that subscribe button and ring that bell. Okay, here we go. So just open your Discord application. And then from your dashboard, just click on your bottom right button, aka your profile button. A user settings screen will be presented. You only need to choose My Account under User Settings subsection. And then all you have to do is just to click on Change Password. You need to enter your current password as well as entering your new password. Once you're done, just click on Save. And your password should be changed immediately. And that's pretty much how you change your password on Discord mobile application. If you find this tutorial to be helpful and you wanted to see more, please make sure that you hit that subscribe, like, and comment down to our channel. If you have any suggestions or any topics that you want us at Simply How to cover, please do not hesitate to put it on the comment section down below. Cheers, I hope it helps. Take care YouTube, bye.